Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mbogwa from Vive Enterprises, which is your #1 home of projects. And if you're new here, I would like to introduce you to our services. We offer project management services. We also offer business processes automation, where we focus on website and web-based management system development and design. We also offer construction management services, and we offer property management services, where we have Naila Property Management System, which is a fully web-based management system that helps property owners to manage their property with ease. We also do run errands, and mostly for the Kenyans in the diaspora. Like I always tell you, I bring to you professional service providers and reputable suppliers in the construction site for your construction, for you to be able to achieve your dream within time and budget, and within your budget. And today we have Mr. Mwaura. We are somewhere in Kiambu County. He will take us through the project, and we are going to focus mostly on the plumbing part of it. So, Mr. Mwaura, welcome to our channel.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Okay. Hi viewers, I think you are most welcome.
Yes.
Here we are at Kiambu County.
Yeah.
Specifically Juja sub-county.
Yes.
We are taking up a 4-bedroom.
Yeah.
Maisonette,
Yeah.
flat roof. And you're most welcome. I think we'll go through some of the details.
Yes.
Some of the details we have been talking about.
Yes.
Mostly plumbing, electrical, and any question that you might want to ask.
Okay.
Yes.
So where do we start?
We can go in. We start with the lounge. You go.
Okay.
Most welcome.
Okay, thank you.
Here mostly we are looking at more of lighting.
Okay.
If you look at the windows,
Yes.
we went specifically for low level window and high height. And this is the lounge. We have most of the lights.
Yes.
We are going to have our screen here.
Yes.
And we have wall brackets around.
Yeah.
For more lighting in the evening.
Yes.
Then around here we played with the concept of having to visualize on the staircase when you're sitting on the lounge.
Okay.
Yes, you're able to visualize the staircase, and also you can do a counter here.
Yeah.
And maybe have your sitting area or a bar area according to what you want.
Okay.
Or you can have the aquarium below the staircase, just to impress your visitors or you as the consumer. So yeah.
Okay.
You can see the height. We have tried to work with the height.
Yes, I can see they are really high.
Yes.
Yeah. So the importance of, the advantage of having the high heights.
It's more of the aeration.
Yes.
And also feels when you do maybe the gypsum or decoration.
Yes.
The ceiling decoration.
Yeah.
You don't have the heights going down. So that you feel uncomfortable when you are occupying the space. And also plays with the space to be bigger.
So the important, the advantage of having high heights is the aeration,
lighting, yes, and more space to do the decoration.
Oh, nice.
And the ceiling
and the space.
Yes.
Okay.
On this project, we are having an open space. We worked with an open space
because
that's our lounge, our dining, and our kitchen, which is open space.
Oh, wow.
Yes. So that's because our challenge in this project was one. We had a very slender plot. Yes. That is 10 meters by 28 meters.
Okay.
That's a very tiny, because most of the 40 by 80 they are 12 meters by 24. So this one we were working with 10 meters wide by 28. Okay. That was our challenge. So you'll find our project is more stretched horizontally. Yes, than the other way. Okay. So this is the dining. Okay. You can see the points of we have done the electrical points as many as possible. Yes. Here we have done high level sockets. Okay. Since we are going to have a breakfast area, which you can plug in your socket when you are sitting on the dining side or when you are taking your breakfast. Okay. We have also provided a sink area. Yes. Sure. In our project, we do double piping. Okay. That one means we have the cold water and the hot water. Yes. From the solar, we are going to do solar solar heaters for hot and cold. So we are doing double piping. This is what you call double piping.
Yes. So again, in this project, you're still doing the full solar
automated.
Wow, that's awesome.
Yes.
I think now I should call you that guy of solar.
Because we are trying to have the concept of going green.
Wow.
In all our projects. That's our main main focus. And our future, we are looking at doing whole house green.
Wow.
Full house green. Yes. Where you run on solar lighting, solar heating, and we are going to have a biodigester.
Wow.
Which we are going to recycle our water for the greenery area.
Yes. So no using like the pipe water for the greenery.
No. We just recycle the water from the showers and everything. And now it's going to water the grass, wash our cars, and also for gardening. Yes.
That's amazing.
Yes.
Okay.
So here we have an exterior outdoor. On the dining, you can enjoy an outdoor, a private area which is going to stretch up to the perimeter. Here we are also going to do a duct, external duct, which is going to be encased like the other project we had seen.
Yes.
So this one is going to be encased.
Yes.
So our pipes don't pass through inside the house.
Inside the house.
All of them, they are outside.
Outside, yes.
And they have a duct.
Yes. That's amazing.
Yes. So here we are going to have some pergolas touching the perimeter. So that we can have an outdoor area. So when you have visitors or maybe you have family, you can open these doors and you feel you are enjoying the outside.
Wow.
Yes.
That's amazing.
Yes.
I love it.
Okay. You can go to the kitchen. The kitchen also, we have tried to have the double piping. Also for the sink, because we have three concepts.
Yes.
We have the double piping, and we also have the under sink socket, where you can heat the water with the solar. With the solar power. Yes.
So this double, because you have been talking about the double piping.
Yes.
Can you take us through kidogo too, so that our viewers can understand what is this double piping that you're talking about?
Double piping is where we have a concept. We have direct water from the water tanks to the kitchens, the washrooms, which is cold water. And we have the other pipe now coming from the solar water heater. We are going to install a 300-liter solar water heater. So you can have hot water and cold water. So when you are doing the taps, you're going to do a mixer tap, which can mix cold and hot. So that one helps. If you want hot water, you'll have it at your kitchen. When you want cold water, that one helps mostly in the cold seasons and everything.
Wow. That's amazing.
So our kitchen, we are going to run our counters all along that way. And we are going to have a centerpiece here at the center, an island.
And I have realized these rooms are so spacious, and especially in the kitchen. Very spacious.
Thank you. We are trying to give the best to the client, because even being constrained by the space of the plot, we try to maximize on the rooms.
I really want to understand how you have been like constrained with the plot space, but the building it has spacious rooms.
Even our DSQ is in suit. Our DSQ, if you came, it's still in suit. It's quite, because our door is here. Then this whole area is the DSQ. Why did we place it here? Place it here deliberate. If you as the homeowner, you're having your own visitor, the house help feels more left out when you have visitors, and she lacks where to sit. That's why we connected our DSQ next to the kitchen. So she can do her cooking and also
use the DSQ. Wow.
When they want their private time, they can come. She can come to the DSQ. The DSQ also, we have done double piping. When you come to the showers, we are doing a concept, a very different concept. We put our wet area to one end. Then we have our dry area
on the other end.
Where we have our wash and basin. Our shower. Our toilet and shower at the end. So that we are going to have a glass partition, so the wet area remains wet. In the dry area, you don't have to have a problem with the wet area. We have still gone to the same concept of double piping. Yes.
Wow.
Double piping in everywhere, and our drains goes out to the duct.
Okay.
So no pipes passing through inside the house. All of them are going out. I think if we move to this side, this is our plumber.
Okay.
He's John.
Hi, plumber.
It's John.
Okay.
He does all the plumbing. We can explain a bit of the double piping as we are going on. John, explain about
double piping, the hot and cold system. We have two lines. We have the cold piping.
Yeah.
The one which is running on the right.
Okay.
On the right side,
it's cold.
It's cold. Here is the laundry area.
Yeah.
This is the cold.
Yes.
Both of piping are the cold water. We don't have hot water here. For the downpipe, for the kitchen, is where we have the hot water is on the left.
Yeah.
And the cold water on the right.
Okay.
This is the point of maybe we don't want to use the solar water.
Yes.
We can use the under sink heater. That's why I've provided another point here.
Okay.
For the under sink heater.
Okay.
For the kitchen. But for the other places like the wash and the basin and the shower, you have the hot water from the
solar. Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. That is great.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I can see you have done really great work.
Oh, thank you. This is the waste pipe for the wastewater for the kitchen.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. That was a brief from the plumber.
Yeah.
We can go so that I can show you the ducts.
Okay.
In this concept,
Yes.
we did from our kitchenette.
Yes.
We have the area for the laundry area. We're going to have the washer.
Yes.
And the dryer.
Okay.
And also we have a socket which you can do your ironing.
Yes.
And everything.
Yeah.
Up here, that you're going to come and see when you're doing the finishing. You're going to have a cabinetry for the detergents, for the ironed clothes and everything. When you are talking about concealed ducts, you can come out here. This is what we're talking about, our duct.
Okay, this area here.
This area. This is the duct area. So we have two washrooms on top. These are their drains. Don't go through the house. They come out. So we can collect our waste from outside. So even if you have a plumber who wants to do some repairs in the house, comes and opens a grill door here. He has his pipes here, so he can do his repairs without going into the house.
This is really beautiful because I have come across clients who are really facing hard time when it comes to repairs. Maybe let's call it maintenance.
Yes.
Because they don't know whether to cut the wall or.
Now this is the best thing because we are going to have a grill here which encloses. And at the bottom we are going to create a house. We can do even the gas cylinder at this point connected to the kitchen.
Wow.
And on this part we are going to concrete, do the drying area, and here we have our kitchen garden.
Okay.
Yes. Our plot is tiny.
It's tiny, but it still have space even for the kitchen garden.
Yes.
Wow. Yes. And the rooms are spacious.
Yes. And to save the cost for the client, you have noticed we are doing, if you can walk this way just a bit, you'll see we are doing our windows on site. We are doing our windows on site. So that also saves a lot of
cost.
Yes. All these windows we have made them on site. So it helps the client to save a cost on the construction cost. Yes.
Okay, how is that now? What is the difference of making them at the workshop and making them from here?
What happens is that when you buy your own material, you select the quality that you want.
Yes.
And you are assured what was brought on site made your windows. When you take them to the workshop, you find if you find dubious work then welders, you'll find the materials that he bought, not the quality that he wanted.
So when they do it at the workshop?
At the workshop. So here it saves the cost because you provide the electric.
Yes.
electrical power, and you provide the material. So whatever is charged to you is only labor. So that one you save a bit of cost, and also time, because you are able to measure from the site and fabricate. Measure from the site and fabricate. So there is no back and forth from site to the workshop, from the workshop to the site. That's an advantage.
A really brilliant idea.
Yeah.
That is your idea?
Yes. And also saving the client.
King of ideas. And savings.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So from here, where are we going now?
We can go now. We can go inside and look at the staircase. The concept of the staircase.
Okay. Wow. So you're the one who have like drawn this house?
Yes. Yes.
From zero?
It's design and build. Designed
and building.
Yes.
The house.
Yes.
That is why you have like everything just put together, because you're the carrier of the idea.
Yes. And on this project, we took a concept. They are different. That the last time we were talking about different types of contracts. For this one, we took it as a labor contract. Though the client supplies the material, we provide the labor.
Okay.
And the management. Yes. So me as the architect gives the follow-up of doing the following up design. I did the design and approvals. We have every approval. And now we started on the construction. And now we are given as a labor contract where the client supplies every material. For us, it's labor.
Just labor.
So the question of labor, why are we moving slow? The back stops are that. But for the material, it's from the client.
From the client. So and how is that now?
He's also able to save because he can get his own suppliers. Yes. Maybe friends who can supply at a better cost. Because
he or she can negotiate.
Yes. Because labor is always constant. Yes. That's the advantage.
And now with that, what is the advantage now to you?
To me as a architect or as a contractor, so that helps me a lot because I'm able. I have less control of the material, but I can advise the client, this supply is good, this supply is not good. And also the timelines helps us with the timelines and also managing our finances. Because sometimes you are constrained, there is needed material in this project, and yet you are providing also with the labor. Yes.
Wow.
Yes, because we have also another concept in our project. We pay our workers daily. So you don't have a problem in the labor.
With the labor. Yes. Wow. So that, I think that one makes even the work easier for you as the contractor.
Yes, and also managing the site.
And also it helps, it gives the client, it helps the client to interact with the project.
Yes, with the project. Yes, because like here he's around, so we are able to take him through of whatever is happening according to the timeline. Like this one, we have a timeline. He wants to occupy this house by late of December.
Wow! And you started this project in?
We started this project around. Now we are here. We are in the third month.
The third month, and you have done all this.
Yes.
And it is perfect.
It's perfect.
And it is quality.
Yes.
I love it.
And you're looking by December, you'll come and see the house complete.
My viewers, you don't need to be scared again. You just need to start building your project in Kenya. Mr. Mwaura is here.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's our guest bedroom. We have a concept of corner windows.
Yes.
To capture the sunset and the sunrise.
From all directions.
All directions.
Quite
spacious and it's ensuite.
Wow.
If you come to the staircase, we have this concept of the open staircase.
Okay.
Yes. I think the same. We have a vanity.
Yeah.
So if I don't want, we have a cloakroom here.
Yeah.
But if I'm in the sitting room, and I don't want to use the washroom, I can use my wash and basin without going direct to the kitchen. Because you find so many people put the wash and basin inside
the cloakroom.
So you have to go into the toilet and come out, but maybe you don't need the toilet. You
don't need the toilet, it's just the washing the hands.
So here we're going to have a wash and basin and a whole vanity and a mirror. Yes.
I'm loving the design.
Yes.
Thank you. I'm loving how everything is just being put together.
Yes.
And I can't wait to see the end product.
You're most welcome.
I can't wait to see the end product of this project.
Yes.
And I'm so proud because I know I'm presenting the best to my viewers.
Yes. Here we did a concept of a freestanding pillar which so many people will wonder, what are we doing with this? We needed to reduce corridors. If you have noticed, our project doesn't have a corridor.
Yeah, it doesn't.
Which takes a lot of space and makes the house rooms look dark. So our lobby area is only this. That's our concept. Yes.
Okay.
These are freestanding, so you can do your decor on both sides. On either of the side, so it becomes like a feature pillar. Yes, it's structural, but also decorative.
Yes. It brings the aesthetic. To the house.
Yes.
Okay. And uniqueness.
Yeah.
The uniqueness, because I think I have not seen that in so many projects. Yes. So you're here introducing new things every day.
Yes. And also we have the stair lights, which we are going to have a sensor here. So when you start taking up your steps up, light itself going up with. You can see each and every step going up.
Yes.
And also we have incorporated those windows.
And the windows are quite big.
You see, the rooms are already lit.
Yes.
So you don't have to keep on lighting
every day.
Yes.
You know, there are so many houses where you cannot stay without light even during the day.
Yeah, that's a problem mostly.
But
having these constraints, we work with most of the windows on that side and that side. Yes.
I'm loving this. I'm loving the job.
Yes.
I'm loving everything. Actually, I'm just out of words.
Yes. I think you can go first floor.
Okay.
You can see the heights are quite comfortable.
Yes. You have really considered the height.
Yes. So in our design, we incorporated something. Just after the staircase, you come into a family room.
Oh, yeah.
It's a family room.
Yes.
So somebody feels more easier to come to this lounge. And we have a kitchenette here.
Okay.
This is our kitchenette. So you see, even our pipes are tucked in one area. So even if you need to do any adjustment, they are in one area. So you don't have leakages on that point, leakages here. And today we are doing the testing before the plastering. We are putting the tank and feed it with water for 24 hours. Then we check it out.
You check it out.
Yes.
Okay.
So here we are going to have a countertop. And that one is ours. Then on this design, we did two things. We separated the kids' bedroom and the master bedroom. Because those two at far end, those are the bedroom, the kids' bedroom, which are in suits. Yes. And this one is the master. Yeah. Which is separate.
Wow.
And here we had another concept. When you come here, you can go to the terrace. Outside terrace.
Okay.
You don't have to go to the rooftop terrace. You have a terrace here. Here we're going to have these pillars going up. And you are going to have pergolas and glass.
Yeah.
So you can sit around here
and do your thing. Just relax.
Relax, do your job. And also, we did this to protect our, when you're sitting here, you're protected from the neighbor seeing you.
Oh, yes. Okay. So do we have the neighbors on the other side?
No, the best thing with this project, the client has bought the other plot, so it's more private. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So here we're going to have pillars. These ones are going to go up, pergolas running all through. Yes. And here we are going to have a worktop. Maybe you'll have food from the kitchen and be placed here and served to the visitors here. So your few visitors can sit here. If you have many visitors, can go to the
rooftop.
Yes.
Wow. Yes. I'm loving this. But the concept that I'm really loving is that concept of the plot is small, but you have been able to maximize it to the best.
To the best, yes. Even without the other plot, the plot is sustainable.
Wow.
Because like here, where we have parking for 2 people on that side. Where we have a parking of 2 people and we have a garden which is going to come here after we do away with the site house. So it's green.
It's just so interesting.
Green and it's also self-accommodating.
Self-accommodating.
So he did, even if he didn't have that plot.
The other plot.
Because this one he bought after we started construction.
Yes.
And after the design.
Yes. Wow.
Yes.
this is the right guy to work with. Believe me.
And even when you're sitting here, you can use your laptop. You have incorporated sockets and a wall bracket. So you're going to have a glass railing around, so it feels more all inclusive. Yes.
Do you know there's a project that I walked around sometimes back?
Yes.
And we had to do a lot of work. Not to come and include the electrical work much later.
Yes.
Because maybe I don't know whether it was the designer or the contractor who never included all those. No, after we have even the house is complete and we were like, by the way, we had to put
this.
And it was hectic because of
hectic. The points are not made.
Yeah, now knowing where the other the pipes are for the electrical.
This one will go like that as we are doing the electrical and plumbing. We also creating our model for the electrical drawings and the mechanical drawings. After we are done with the project, we leave the drawings with the client. So in case he needs correction of the electrical or anything, he'll have his drawings.
Okay.
For electrical and mechanical.
And the mechanical. Wow.
So that one helps to know where the pipes are, where these sockets and everything.
Before we finish this, you will have to take us through the advantages of having a competent designer, I'm an architect, who is also going to continue with the project until it is done.
Okay. I think
because it is important.
Yes.
It's very, very important.
It's very important because you see the points we are talking about and the placing of the electrical points, plumbing points. As the architect or as the consultant knows the importance of this thing here and not there.
Yes.
Because it's from the concept of the design.
Yes.
So you're able to guide through the contractor, the foreman, the masons, everybody follows the instructions as we are going by. So even if of a mistake, you're able to own up.
Wow.
Since you have been taking through you have been in the project. Yes. Okay. And also we have incorporated the client. He's around, so he has been here coming to see whatever is happening.
Whatever is happening.
And every day he's able to receive information of what is happening. Yes.
I'm loving it.
Yes.
Yeah, and I'm confident when I'm presenting you to my viewers. Yeah, because I know by the end of the day, no challenges.
No challenge. We are going to deliver.
Yeah.
That's a mark. Yes.
So from here,
I think the rooftop is ongoing. You can go maybe to have a view, just a small snip through.
Oh, okay.
Watch out. So here we have a terrace, a bigger terrace.
Wow.
Which the client, if you has more visitors, if he wants to do anything, we have more. We have his office here, which you're going to also install our solar batteries. They are going to be here. As we told you, we are running on full solar.
Yes,
100%.
Yes. And other powers are
backup, yes. Yes. So we are going to have our water tank here, our solar water heater, and our solar panel. Yes.
Wow.
On top. That's why we have done a bit lower height, so that when we do the other wall, the house doesn't look so big.
So tall.
On the height is going to go high. That's why we have lowered the height for the penthouse to attain that view from the outside. So the tanks are going to be hidden.
Oh, great. Yes. Now, if I may ask, are there challenges that you have encountered in this project? And how have you been able to handle them?
In this project, the challenge we had when we were starting, it's the rains. We had some few rains when we were in the foundation, but we were able to maneuver around because we were able to put more labor and push the construction faster in the foundation. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So you told us that this project is taking you how long?
By maximum 5 to 6 months, you're going to be done.
So from the foundation
to completion and handing over.
To completion and handing over and testing. 6 months.
Yes.
Done.
So
our client in diaspora, he want to come to Kenya, she want to come to Kenya and find his or her project done. So if we start in January, by June,
we are done. Handing over.
Yes.
completed and everything running. Yeah.
Okay.
Now the rest we give the client around 4 or 5 months to do our tests. He or she can occupy the house, consume all the facilities. If there is a problem, we come rectify and leave the house running.
Okay.
Yes.
Now you have taken us through the whole project.
Yes.
Until now we are here at the top, at the rooftop.
Yes.
What do you think you need to tell us, the viewers, the client who is out there?
Yes.
You think maybe you are not able to cover it down there, and you feel like you want to share it out there with our clients.
Okay. I think what I can tell our viewers is that have a trustworthy person who you can share your idea.
Yes.
And never feel shy to share your idea with a consultant. And let them accommodate your ideas and see the best way they can bring them out. Because we interpret the mind of the client.
Yes.
And us as clients, us as a consultant, we try as much not to build our own house. Let's build the client's house. Because that's a consumer.
Yes.
And that's a dream.
Yes.
And you have to actualize the dream of the client.
Yes.
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 Yes. What we have not captured is where we are doing the underground water tank. We're going to do a 30,000 underground water tank, which is going to run through. Yes. And support the water for the whole house. Yes.
Okay. To our viewers, like I always tell you, you give me the construction project, I bring to you competent service providers and reputable suppliers. At the moment you have seen Mr. Mwaura, actually from the time we started coming with Mr. Mwaura, this is our second project.
Yeah, second project, yes.
And there are other more that we are bringing.
Yes. Others are in foundation.
Yeah. This one we are just trying to build trust with you, show you that Mr. Mwaura is not trying, he's doing the work.
Yes.
And if he tells you that he's going to do his work within 6 months, he will deliver. So don't be scared. You can always invest in Kenya. You can build your home, your dream home, or your retirement home in Kenya. You can also do the commercial.
Yes, we also do commercial. We are going to visit one of the construction we are doing.
Yes.
An apartment.
Yes.
In Ruaka.
Yeah.
We are doing 2 blocks. One is completed 10 floors. Another one is ongoing. Another 10 floors. Yes.
And the beauty part of it, he's so flexible. He even gives you tips on how you can save.
Yes, you can save.
I think on our video, I think there's a point where he was telling us the client is bringing in the materials, which is helping to save. I love everything. Yeah. So there is no need of you like being scared to invest in Kenya. I believe that when it comes to construction and also the apartment, whether it is the apartment or a home, let's say property.
Yes.
When it comes to properties, development, and investing in a property, it's something that is not ending today.
Yes.
Sindio?
Yes. Like right now, if you look at the land, the area, it's only 2 houses, which we, by God's grace, we were given the other house.
Yes.
So we are still going on.
Wow.
We are going to come and feature it. We're going on with the next house. And some of you, most of the clients here who have bought this land are in diaspora.
Yes.
So I'm advising them. They can come, send their people, feel free, send anyone.
Yes.
Come inspect, do any inspection. You'll be taken through by our team.
Yes.
See you. We are capable.
Yes. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and thank you for being on this channel. Hope we are bringing you informative information and bringing you what you really want to see and what you want to hear. And if you have not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe. If you have subscribed, thank you so much for your support. And until next time, have yourself a great week.
Thank you so much.